And now for something completely different. We're here in San Francisco for big electrification news from General Motors, and we just had to share this pop-up GM powerhouse. This tiny home is an example of bidirectional charging. Isn't it cute? While other automakers offer this tech in some vehicles, GM offers it in all 12 of their EVs. Yes, the entire thing, including the coffee shop out back, is powered by this Cadillac Lyriq. But the important thing GM wants to share is vehicle-to-grid capability. With insane new demand being placed on the grid by AI data centers, where EVs were once thought of as a problem, now GM says they're part of the solution with the capability to sell back stored electricity when there's peak demand or even a natural disaster. The automaker has already started in on a project using 30 GM employee homes. Next, it aims to have 52,000 cars participating in California by 2030. With 250,000 GM EVs on the road capable of bidirectional charging, that's enough energy to power 120,000 homes for a week or every home here in San Francisco for 2 days.